Hey guys, I'm Lauren and welcome back to Mixture and Roll. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a simple Super Bowl treat, Rice Krispies. Let's get started. The first ingredient you will need is a whole bag of marshmallows, Cocoa Krispies, and 3 tablespoons of butter. For the tools you will need a greased pan, a pot, and a spoon. Then in a super big bowl, you need to measure 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats. In honor of the Super Bowl, I got a super big bowl for the Rice Krispies. Also, does anybody wonder why the Super Bowl is called the Super Bowl? I know I do. Anyways, let's back into the video. So the first thing you're going to do is put a big pot on the stove and turn on the stove. Then you're going to add your 3 tablespoons of butter and let that melt down. Once the butter is completely melted, you're going to add the whole entire bag of marshmallows. Then you're going to stir them around in the butter and let them melt down. Once the marshmallows are completely melted into this nice liquidy marshmallowy goodness, then you're going to take it off of the heat and you're going to add all of those Rice Krispie treats inside of your Super Bowl. And I added some and then I stirred it in and then I added the other half. Then you're going to add your Rice Krispie mixture into your grease dish. So what you're going to do is just going to pour this into there and then you're going to spread it out. Then you can use a piece of parchment paper to push it down and help it go down a little more. And it won't stick, but it's really, really sticky. And especially since the pan's greased, it just slides around. So it's easy to use some parchment paper and press it down. And then you lift it up, but don't do it too fast because it's still hot and some might stick on the parchment paper. So kind of pat it down and then be really careful when you put the piece of parchment paper. Maybe let it sit for a little bit and then you're going to take it off. Also, you need to make sure you clean out the pot or pan you use really fast. Also, I decided to show you guys it because I thought it was satisfying how the marshmallow just came right off the pan. Now, this is the part where the footballs come alive. So what you're going to do is after about 10 to 15 minutes, once they've cooled, but not completely cooled, you're going to cut them and then you're going to form it into like a round bowl. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're going to smush it and then it should look like a sort of football shape. It doesn't have to be perfect, more like an oval. Like a type of oval, and it's really easy to get into the shape. It's not too much, but make sure you do not let it cool too much, but you need to make sure that it's not going to stick to your hands. But most of the time after it cools for a little bit, it's not too sticky. Once you have finished forming your football, you're going to put some icing in a piping bag or a Ziploc bag, and you're going to pipe these exact lines to get the football shape. Once I finished the first row of Rice Krispies, I realized that one row makes about 5 of them. You can make them any size, but normal size, they are about 5. And that is how you make Rice Krispie footballs. And that is today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more videos. Thank you for watching and have a nice and safe Super Bowl. Bye, guys.